Welcome to Creative Tien channel. Today we are going to do thread lace on a bulky Brother 260 knitting machine. I'm going to follow the instruction booklet. And first it says you can use a pattern card number 1P, 11P, 12P, 13P, 14P, and 15P. I'm picking up the card number 11P. You can see the number in the corner. And with the thread lace, you will need two different weight yarns. I have a thicker one. This one is about the DK weight. The other one I have is sock weight, or you can use lace weight. So you need a very fine yarn and about medium or DK weight yarn. Now I thread both yarns and adjust the tension so it's not too tight or too loose. The next thing is to move the end needle selection to the non-working position. So you just turn over your carriage, and here are the left and right side of the end needle selection. And use one prong transferring tool, and you can see a little circle here. You can turn it. Once you turn it, it will come up or come down. When we cancel the end needle selection, that means this is lowered. So this is what we want when we are doing the lace work. And the left side is the same. You just turn the screw and you can adjust up or down. And after we're done with the lace, we will turn it back to normal end needle selection. Now we install the punch card and turn the dial to the first row. Here. And we can place this to the circle to put the punch card on hold so you will not advance. The middle one is for normal knitting, and the long triangle on the top is for elongated knitting. I have my tension set to number 5, and we will start knit a few rows. After knitting a few plain rows, park your carriage on the left side, and for the punch card, make sure it's number 1 here on the red dot, so this will not advance. And then we are ready to do the patterning. We point it to KC, so the belt will engage and it will select the needles. Now we just knit one row. You can see the needles are selected. Next, we are going to press the MC button in the center, both top and bottom. Now we are going to move this to the center, the triangle, for normal knitting. So the punch card will start to advance. And now we can start to add the second yarn. The first yarn is in the A position. That's where we usually put our yarn and close the gate. And there's a B position here. So that's where the second yarn will go. I'll place a pin. And when the A is still closed, we place the second yarn in. That will go to the B position. Here is the B position, and the first yarn is in the A position, the bigger hole in the back. Now we'll just continue knitting until the length you like. Now I'm back to row 1. I'm just going to knead a few rows of plain knitting and take it off the machine. So I will take out the thinner yarn first and just knead a few rows of plain knitting. I'm going to move the KC to N for plain knitting so you will not pick up any pattern. And I'm going to bind off and take it off the machine. Now this is after blocking, and this is the back side, the side that's facing us when we knit. And this is the right side, or the public side. And you can see the white color, which is a thinner yarn, is in the front. And you can see the pattern better when I put it in the black background. You can see the circles from the pattern number 11P. That's the back side. That's the pattern 11P on the right. And it's hard to tell from this chart that it's actually a circle. I think I can go down to the thread size for the thinner one because it still looks pretty thick. And one idea to use the thread lace or just lace pattern is to make two rectangles and seam up the sides to become a little vest or t-shirt. Maybe I'll try that next time. Thank you for watching today. See you next time.